Most people don't realize that they're paying brokerage charges every time they invest in stocks. But did you know, at Zerodha, equity delivery brokerage has been free since 2015. Hi, my name is Tarun, and in this video, I'll show you how you can open a Zerodha account for free on your phone in under 5 minutes. But before I explain how to open an account, here's everything you get when you open an account with us, and some background on why we built our platform the way we did. When you open a Zerodha account, you don't just get a trading and investment platform, but access to an entire ecosystem of other trading and investing products and platforms. Kite is our trading platform. You get advanced starting with over 100 technical indicators and the ability to trade everything from stocks, F&O, ETFs, bonds to commodities all in one place. You can set price alerts so you don't miss opportunities, create and manage multi-stock baskets, and get proactive risk warning through nudges for dubious stocks, illiquid instruments, or significant corporate actions before you even place your order. You can also apply for IPOs and auctions directly within Kite. Coin is our commission-free mutual funds platform. Regular mutual fund plans have distributor commissions of 1 to 1.5% annually, but Coin offers direct plans with zero commissions. On a 5 lakh rupee portfolio, you save anywhere between 5,000 to 7,500 rupees every year. Console is your financial dashboard. You get instant access to tax-ready reports, know exactly how your portfolio is performing, and benchmark your portfolio against indices like Nifty. You can even track your family's combined portfolio. During tax season, you can download everything you need in minutes. Varsity is a free educational platform for finance. We've created comprehensive text and video content on investing and trading, which is available in multiple languages. With Varsity Live, we offer interactive classes where you learn personal finance, technical analysis, balance sheet analysis, and much more with live mentors. For younger learners, Varsity Junior uses animated stories to teach financial concepts through entertaining episodes. And our partner products offer specialized tools for different needs. If you're an investor, you have Tijori for detailed fundamental research on stocks. You have Small Case for thematic investing in professionally managed portfolios, and our own Zerodha Fund House for simple, low-cost index funds. And for developers, there's free Kite Connect API. All of this is only possible because of our approach. We've never advertised. A meaningful percentage of our new customers come from referrals. These are people who use Zerodha and then tell their friends and family. We focus on education. And that's exactly why on our learning platform Varsity, we teach people how to trade and invest better and make better investment decisions, even if it means they trade less. This approach has worked out well for us. Today, over 1.6 crore customers trust us with 6 lakh crores in investments, and we handle 15% of India's daily retail trading volume. Okay, now that you know what you get, let me explain how to open a Zerodha account step by step. First, let's gather what you'll need. You'll need an Aadhaar linked to a mobile number for digital signature. You'll need a PAN card, which acts as your tax identity. You'll need a bank proof, which can be any one of the following: a cancelled check with your name clearly printed on it, or a bank statement showing your account details, or a passbook with bank seal and IFSC code clearly printed. And if you want to trade futures and options, you need to submit one of the following as income proof. Now that you've gathered the essential documents, let me explain step by step on how to open your Zerodha account. Go to Play Store or App Store and install the Kite app. If you're opening the account from a browser, you can visit signup.zerodha.com. Now open the Kite app and tap on Open a Free Account. Enter your phone number and tap on Continue. Then enter the OTP received and tap Verify. You can either log into your Google account or enter your name and email ID and tap Continue. Enter the OTP received on your email ID and tap Continue. Enter your PAN and date of birth. Authorize Zerodha to fetch your KYC information by selecting the checkbox and then tap Continue. Select the segments you want. Toggle the Futures and Options button if you want to trade F&O, and toggle the Commodity button if you want to trade commodities. Ensure that the Terms and Conditions box is ticked and tap Continue. This page will ask you to reconfirm your details, ensuring the Aadhaar and PAN belong to the person opening the account. Enter your Aadhaar number, then enter the CAPTCHA and tap Next. Enter the OTP received on the mobile number linked to your Aadhaar and tap Continue. Enter your 6-digit Digilocker PIN and tap Continue. Your documents will be fetched from Digilocker and you'll see a success message on the screen. Do not press the back button or close the app at this point. Wait for it to automatically go to the next step. Enter your name as per PAN and tap Verify. Enter your father's name, mother's name, select your marital status, annual income, trading experience, and occupation. Select your preference for running account settlement. Running account settlement is when brokers transfer your unused funds from your Zerodha account back to your bank account. If you choose quarterly, unused funds will be transferred every quarter, and if you select monthly, unused funds will be transferred every month. Select Yes, No, or Related to One. And then click on Continue. Link your bank account through UPI or by entering the details manually. To link using UPI, tap on your UPI app of your choice and make the 1 rupee payment from the bank account you want to link. This 1 rupee will be refunded within 24 hours. Or you can enter details manually. Enter your IFSC, select the MICR from the drop-down, enter your account number and confirm by re-entering. Confirm your bank details and tap Continue. On the webcam verification page, tap Capture. If there's a pop-up asking you to allow Zerodha to use your camera, tap Allow and complete verification by tapping on Capture again. Please ensure that only the person in whose name the account is being opened is visible in the capture. On the document upload page, tap Sign and sign with your finger on the screen. Upload your bank proof if you've entered bank details manually. You can upload a bank statement, cancelled check, or first and last page of your passbook with account details clearly visible. If your document is password protected, enter the password and tap Submit. If not, tap Skip. And you can skip this step if you've linked your bank account using UPI. Since we toggled the F&O and commodities segment, we need to upload income proof. Select the type of proof you're uploading. Once selected, tap on Continue. Now enter the OTP received on your registered phone number and tap on Submit OTP. Select your bank account and tap on Verify. Tap on the checkbox and then on Request for OTP. Enter the OTP and tap on Submit OTP. Tap on Continue and then on Approve Consent. Add a nominee to your Zerodha account by tapping Add Nominee. You can add up to 3 nominees. Adding a nominee makes it easier to transfer ownership of your investments in case of an unfortunate event. If you're adding a minor as a nominee, you'll need to enter the guardian's detail as well. After entering the nominee's detail, tap Continue. The last step is digitally signing your application by tapping Continue. Ensure the name on your Aadhaar and the name used for your e-sign is the same. Now tap Proceed. Review your application and once you're done, tap on Sign Now. Enter your Aadhaar number, agree to the terms and conditions and tap Get OTP. Enter the OTP received on your Aadhaar linked mobile number and email ID and then tap Verify OTP. That's it. You've completed your account opening process and the user ID is displayed instantly, which you can use to log into Kite. Tap Login to Kite and create a new password for your daily use. You can explore the Kite app, but please note that orders can only be placed once the exchanges activate your account. Exchanges will activate your account within 48 working hours and Zerodha will email your account credentials to your registered email ID. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions about Zerodha, our products or the account opening process, please feel free to leave a comment below and we will be happy to answer them. Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Brokerage will not exceed SEBI prescribed limits.